Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have your base row. Pick yarn and a 5mm hook to match. Chain a turning chain, then work 1 row of single crochet across so you know the exact stitch count, and once done, choose your ruffle density. Placing 2 to 4 stitches into each base stitch creates different fullness. Use fewer for subtle waves, more for dramatic frills. Make sure to keep tension even, because consistent gauge prevents a lopsided edge as you begin the ruffle. Now you start the ruffle layering. In round 1, work 2 single crochets into every base stitch. This 2 times increase creates initial frill. Once the round is joined with a slip stitch, assess the flare. If you want more volume, do round 2 with 3 or 4 stitches into each stitch, because adding density here makes the ruffle bloom. Make sure to space increases evenly and keep turning chains consistent. Uneven spacing makes ripples that don't lie flat. Change hook size. To finish, stop when the ruffle reaches your preferred width, fasten off, and weave in ends neatly so the edge looks tidy. If the ruffle curls or twists, block it. Pin it to shape and steam or wet block until it cools, because blocking evens stitches and opens the frill. If you see gaps or unevenness, add a corrective row of single crochet along the base or increase the per stitch count in the next project. Keep notes so you repeat successful settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.